This tutorial review will show you how to recover deleted posts, photos, videos on Facebook. So first of all, let's delete a post from my profile. And here we can see items in your recycle bin will be automatically deleted after 30 days. So once you delete a post, photos or videos from your profile, the photos or post will be restored in your recycle bin folder for 30 days. And after 30 days, those posts will be permanently deleted, and then here is no way to recover them. Now let's see how you can recover deleted post, photos or videos from recycle bin. So I deleted a photo here, then I'm clicking on this three dot and clicking on activity log, and here select recycle bin, and then you will get your deleted post, photos and videos here. Now simply click on this three dot next to the post you want to restore and click on restore to profile, restore, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.